injections still make me feel like cold water is rushing through my veins. Listen to my pain, I can't change, I'm still the same, insane. Ricky Hill, I'll be ill to the death of me. I gave her pills, a Valium and an ecstasy. She can't leave, I can't sleep, she can't weep, she can't eat. Yeah, cause I gave her cocaine and I smoked my piff. I won't lift, but I drift. I need a motherfucking fix. Yeah, so I sprinkle it with hash and I'm filling up my glass. I got a pound in my stash. Open it up to find the O's. Hide them in my clothes, then we headed down south. We out, no fucking limos.